Here I've got the EVC Ultimate9. This model is meant to be compatible with the JK Wrangler from 2007 to 2018 model. I'm going to be installing it today because with my 2010 JK Wrangler CID, find that with driving on the roads and driving off-road there's a bit of throttle lag, so hopefully that's going to help me with my acceleration. So just to give you a bit of an example, I guess, I'm going to turn the vehicle on now and then just do acceleration without the throttle controller being connected or turned on. So just stock throttle in the car. So listening to just the acceleration. There's that slight delay. And you put your foot down. Okay, so let's turn that off now. Let's open up the EVC throttle box. Inside the box you've got the controller itself. Take that out. So we have the throttle controller inside the box, and then we have the connection plug. Got a bit of 3M tape here by the looks of it, so that you can then stick this onto wherever you want to put it. And then we also have some stickers, a little cable tie, and just some manual. Quick start guide. Looking at the accelerator pedal, we're going to have to get right up in there and we're going to have to disconnect the existing cable run and then change it over. Alright, so just to show you where everything is, we've got the acceleration pedal here, and then just behind the acceleration pedal, so I just need to move this around, just behind the acceleration pedal you should see up the top there's the wire there. Okay, so that's the plug we want to remove. The factory plug will connect into this end, and then this end itself here with the red tab, that's going to be plugged into the throttle pedal directly, into the acceleration pedal. Okay, so I'll get that all connected up. It should be as simple as just taking it out with your hands. You don't need any special tools. This throttle controller also comes with a locking mechanism, so this red clip you see here, you push that in and that can lock it in position so it doesn't get flown around, doesn't get unplugged, you don't kick it by mistake and it comes off. You should be able to see the throttle controller installed. We've got the factory plugged into one end of the throttle controller cable, and then the other end, which you can see down there, is plugged straight onto the actual acceleration pedal on the throttle body. You can then press down on that red clip and that will secure your throttle controller cable. From there we have the actual cable itself for the throttle controller. So this, we need to run this probably up through underneath here, and then I'll probably put the throttle controller along here so that it's out of the way. Now that the cable run has been done, you can see that we've connected the throttle controller up to this. You can remove this tie cable. Tie cable is gone. Then we can look at positioning this around here. So before fitting off your throttle controller, you just want to make sure that you have a good line of sight of wherever you're going to position the controller, just so that you know you're driving on road, driving off road. You can easily make adjustments. So obviously you want to adjust your chair, make sure you're in a nice position. I'm gonna put mine here next to the backup fuel tank, so then at least then I can see clearly what setting it's on. So let's do that. Now that the unit is positioned, we can turn the car on and see how it goes with the throttle controller. So that's currently on the off position, and you can probably just hear the engine idling nice there. So this is acceleration without it being turned on. Let's turn the throttle controller on to Ultimate 5 to put a little bit of pressure. Look at that, big difference. Put it to 9, which is the ultimate setting, highest setting you can go. Hardly any lag. It's great, absolutely great. Or you can put it into automatic control, which is AC. And that will just gauge and learn off your response off the throttle. Me, I would keep mine in Ultimate 5. Off-road, you can change that, and then if you want to dampen it, you can then put it into economy mode and then change the settings from there as well. So your left button changes the mode, and your right button then sets which level you want it set to. And that's the installation and setup. If you have any comments on my video, if you like how I've done this, or if you would like to see some further installations or 12-volt setup or anything like this, please like and subscribe, add your comments down, let me know. I'll be happy to talk about it. Thank you.